Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to our travel day vlog. So today we are flying from LA to Honolulu, and it's supposed to be a flight about 6 hours and 10 minutes long. So it's going to be a really long journey today. We are about to drive away from the Anaheim hotel. We had such an amazing time here at the happiest place on earth, and we were super duper busy. So I'm excited to do some relaxing in the Aloha State.
Alright, let's go.
Yay! Part 3, Hawaii.
Time to relax.
Alright, we made it on board. We'll see you guys in 6 hours and 10 minutes. Hi guys, we made it to Hawaii. Our flight got here pretty quick, but unfortunately we arrived too early, so we're stuck on the tarmac, and they estimated about 40 minutes. But we're ready. Once we get off the plane, we're gonna go get our luggage, go to the car rental, and then drive to Aulani. So we got on the rental car shuttle, and then like 30 seconds later we were here. So that was a surprise. That's cool. If I had known, we probably just would have walked.
Thrifty's busy.
Yeah.
It's not just you passing.
Alright, so we are picking our rental car. So when we were in California, we had a Nissan, but I think we are going for a Toyota this time. And I think this one is calling our name. The rental car situation here at the airport is pretty cool. It's also at the airport, so you don't have to drive really far to pick up your car. The line for Thrifty is ridiculous. For Alamo, we waited like 3 minutes and we were able to come pick our car. So very grateful for Alamo. And so what car are you gonna drive, baby?
I think there's a better one down
Toyota. All right, you guys, we are all situated in our rental car and we are headed to eat at McDonald's. So excited. They have the most amazing breakfast platter because it comes with rice, eggs, and Portuguese sausage. And spam. And I also need coffee. Right now, here in Hawaii, it is $2:55. But in California, it is nearly 6 p.m. So we're hungry. It's like dinner time for us. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. I've never walked inside this property, but I want to because one of my favorite Netflix movies was filmed here. Have you guys seen The Wrong Missy on Netflix? Oh my god, it is like stupidly hilarious. It's ridiculous. It's about this crazy woman. And yeah, you're in for a good time if you haven't seen it yet. But there we go, 4 seasons, and then ta-da, there's Aulani. Hello, beautiful.
Good to be home.
So we're all checked into our room. Well,
I don't know.
so we're checked into the resort, and take a look at this view. I'm so happy that we're back home. So, like I said, we haven't been here since 2019, and this has been one of our home resorts since 2015.
Go see our room?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go take you to our room. We booked a standard view. Normally when we come here, we always stay in like an Island Gardens view, but we wanted to stay here as long as possible with the DVC points that we have. So we're just staying in a standard room, but it's not like we're in our room the whole time anyway. So, all right, we'll see you guys upstairs.
Check this out. Oh, check it out now?
Yeah. Just a quick walk through.
Oh, quick walk.
Yeah. See, maybe this is the bag I was talking about.
Oh. Well, that's nice.
Oh, cute.
Oh.
Okay, you want to use mine?
No. That's why I didn't bring one, because I was going to get one of those. Excuse me. She's going to come back and play if you bought cool. Two little postcards.
We got that one and that one.
I like that. That's nice. Ooh, what about this one?
Yeah.
I like it. What's for the guys?
This one.
Alright, let's see what we got. Okay.
Hello friends, welcome to our home for the next 8 nights. We are staying in a standard view studio villa and we are in room 467. So room 467 is in the Iwa Tower on the 4th level. So we've got this queen size bed with plenty of storage space at the bottom. So this is a great spot to put all of your luggage. And then we've got this pull out couch and a storage ottoman. So that's where you can find all of the bedding stuff for the pull-out couch. Swiveling this way is a little table with the coolest Mickey lamp ever. We have 2 chairs here, and then here is our dresser. I love that the TV has our name on it. And then this is what the standard view looks like. I've actually never seen this space before, so it must be a space that they use for like private events. And then going back this way, we have a mirror. Here's our little kitchenette area. And I love that the fridge is very spacious. If I can get it open. Oh my God. Okay, well. All right, so here is the fridge. I love how spacious it is. Information about DVC. We've got a microwave. And then this is our closet space. And then here is the bathroom. I love that we have a ceiling shower head for a spa-like experience. And then the toilet is in its own room. Yay! I have been lugging this bag around since Anchorage and this is the first time I'm opening it. Now it's finally fulfilling its purpose. So I packed this carry-on with just things I needed specifically for Hawaii. So I have some dresses here. I've also got swimwear. And then here is my beach bag. This is by Stony Clover Lane. And then over on this side I have swim shoes. I've got this cute wicker purse and I have this waterproof case to keep my valuables near me when we go to the beach. or in the swimming pools. And then here is some fun accessories. So here's this cute bow band, some mini ears, sunglasses, and a beach towel. All right, so we had our luggage delivered to our room. When Sean called, they quoted about an hour and a half for the luggage to arrive because they've been so busy today. So part of the reason why it was so busy is because the Disney Wander ended its journey here, and I was part of those Disney Cruise Facebook groups for a while, and a lot of the guests sailing we're also planning on staying here at Aulani. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a bunch of Disney Cruise guests around the hotel. But anyways, we actually had somebody deliver our luggage. It only took them about 20 minutes because they were just knocking stuff out. So kudos to them. Thank you for the efficient service. Anyways, Sean got us food. Let me show you what he ordered us. Oh my God. What is this? Hold on. I texted what I wanted, and I think it's
the volcano cheesesteak.
Oh. So here is the volcano cheesesteak. And then, what is that, baby?
Pepperoni sausage flatbread.
Ooh. All right, you guys, I think we're gonna end the video here today because it's 6:44, but I feel exhausted. So after this, we're probably gonna freshen up, get our room all situated, and then, yeah. Oh, well, Sean's gonna go to the gym. All right, guys, have a good night. Bye. See you tomorrow.